Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You're going to start by confirming the essentials and taking the first actions now. Open Rust settings and enable voice chat, then bind push-to-talk if you prefer. Next, test your microphone in your operating system's sound control to ensure it captures audio. If it doesn't, restart the audio driver or the computer. Once done, relaunch Rust so it reads the fresh device list. This forces the game to requery available inputs and prevents stale device selection. Now you'll dive into the middle steps that fix most persistent problems. In both your OS sound settings and Rust audio options, choose the same input and output device so the game uses the active microphone. Make sure sample rates match. 48000 HZ is common because mismatched rates can mute voice data. Disable exclusive audio access so other apps can't block the mic. Also close overlays or background apps like voice recorder. Finish by completing final checks and a key troubleshooting tip if problems remain. Update, or, if a recent update caused issues, roll back your audio drivers. Sometimes newer drivers regress. Try a different microphone or move a USB mic to another port to rule out hardware and ports. If voice still fails, recreate Rust's config or use the game client's file verification to restore defaults. If nothing works, remember, one targeted driver or config change usually resolves it. Start troubleshooting there and work outward.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.